Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see demo for seminar all booking PHP web application. So let's see how to start the project. Next we will move for the module. First open the XAMPP control panel. Start the Apache and MySQL. Then go to the MySQL admin. It will promote you to the My PHP admin. Left side you can able to see your DB name. Explore your DB. Here you can see the all database names and take any DB. Here you can see the all login details. Next open the Visual Studio Code. First explore your project folder. It's have a web folder. Explore the web folder. Here you can see the all source code. Then go to the readme text file. Here you can see the DB name and your project URL link and login credentials. Copy the URL. Then paste to the web browser. So now project is running now. So this is the seminar or project homepage. It's have two roles, admin and employee. First log in the admin. Give the admin ID and password. Now login successfully. So this is the admin home. Admin will be manage the schedules and approve the booking and add the employee. First go to the department. Here you can add the department and if you want to delete or update the previous department, here you can read. Then if you want to create new department, enter the department name. Then click the create department. Now it creates successfully. Then if you want to update, go to the update button. Here you can update the department. Then if you want to delete, click the delete button. It will be deleted. Next go to the add employee. Here you can add the employee profile. So enter the employee name, email ID and password. And give the password. Enter the mobile number and employee ID. Then select the type and select the department. And fill the all field names. Then click the create employee. Your password must contain at least one capital letter, one special character, then length of 8 digits. Now employee creates successfully. Then go to the view employee. Here you can view the all employee details and then you can search any field, it will filter. Then if you want to update or see the more details, go to the more. You can see the all details. And you can update the data, go to the update. Here you can update. Next go to the schedule. Here you can add the seminar schedules. If you want to add new schedule, enter the seminar name and click the add button. Now it's created. Then if you want to assign the new seminar, go to the assign. Here you can create the seminar. First select the department and give the details. And select the seminar start date and time. I select the 8/2/2025 and give the time 10 a.m. and give the end of the date and the time. Then select the seminar hall. Now it's created successfully but waiting for approval. Then if you want to see the more information, go to the more info. Here you can see the all seminar details. Then if you want to delete, here you can do it. Next go to the booking. Here you can see the all employee and admin booking details, seminar all booking details and see the result. Here you can see the status, approve or pending, and search any field names, it will filter. Then if you want to give the approve, go to the update. Then you can select the approve or cancelled. Here you can do it. Now it's status approval. So this is the admin home. Next we will move for the employee. Enter the employee ID and password. So this is the employee home. It's our two modules. Create the schedules and view the all bookings. First go to the create schedule. Here you can create the seminar hall booking here. Then if you want to add new seminar, click the name and click the add schedule. Then if you want to assign the seminar, go to the assign button. Here you can create the seminar details. Select the department and give the details and contact number. And select the start date. Admin already booking for the seminar February 8 and 10 a.m. Staff also same. Select the same date and starting time. Select the same seminar hall. Now click the submit button. It's not created because admin will be already booked that same schedule, so it's not created. Change the seminar hall or time. Now created successfully. Then if you want to see the more info, go to the more info. Here you can see the seminar hall details. Next go to the all booking. Here you can see the all booking details and the approved status. Your seminar hall status is pending now. So this is the employee. So that's the whole seminar hall booking PHP web application project.
Code shopping.